I think the innovative community here in Iceland is really exciting. We have so many innovative companies in different sectors, and Nasdaq OMX Iceland really wants to be a part of helping those companies grow and prosper. And I think we have great opportunity to do that. We are very close to these companies in many ways, and I think many of them have great kind of appeal to the general public and have great appeal in that way. And in recent months we have seen the public's interest in the market grow, and that creates opportunities for these type of companies. So I think we can really be part of that growth story. I think many small companies don't realize the options they have in terms of financing. And one of our goals here at Nasdaq OMX Iceland has been to educate these companies about their options when it comes to financing. You know, do you want to call your bank and get some bank financing, or do you want to issue bonds, either listed or unlisted, or do you want to come onto the exchange and list some listed equity? And all of these options have advantages and disadvantages. And I think the primary advantage of coming to the exchange is that you get a lot of visibility. You're also appealing to the greatest set, largest set of investors that there is. You have the institutional investors and you have the general public. And for a small, well-known, innovative company in Iceland, I think the appeal to the general public can be great, so that there are great opportunities there. Of course, listing involves a cost as well, and probably that is the thing that the obstacle that these smaller companies consider most. But I think they have to think of the cost in terms of other investment they are putting into the business. It costs to develop their products, to design, and these smaller companies are investing in the future, and a listing on the exchange is essentially just one more investment to make the future more prosperous. Well, foreigners already have around 30% stake in the Icelandic market, and the advantages of a foreign investor coming here and investing are several, in my opinion. One is simply partaking in the renewed economic growth we are seeing in this country. Another one is Icelandic special characteristics of the companies here. In particular, I think in the coming years we will see, hopefully, many companies from the fishery sector, from sector supporting the fishery sector. These are leading edge companies that will certainly, I think, appeal to international investors. Then, of course, Iceland has a very interesting clean energy sector that I really think belongs on exchange, and I'm certainly hoping to see that happen. And then, thirdly, our tourism sector is prospering, and I think that is also a really exciting sector that will grow by leaps and bounds in the coming years. I would encourage companies to come directly to the exchange and speak to us. It is simply a fact that most companies do not know what it entails to go through listing. And the fact of the matter is that most listed companies in this world are small, contrary to what most people think. And you can tailor this process to the needs of either small or big companies, and I think the most efficient way of approaching this question is simply a direct approach, come to us.